Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 29th of August 2022. I'm in a live trade on Appl. Just got stopped out right there. And I'll break down, well, it's not a live trade anymore, so it's a trade recap. So the time is 3:02 p.m. And let's get into the camera roller setup right here. S3 on the previous day, last week Friday, was 169.67. Today's R3 is at 165.72 and S3 is at, let's see, let's make that a little bigger. S3 today is at 161.60. So we have a lower value relationship, looking for some shorts, some retests of S3 to go short. But today we had like a typical day where we kind of stayed in value. We just moved sideways. So it was kind of like it's a sideways day. Nothing really happened. We had like a little pop-up early and then we came back down to just above like S4. S4 is here. Let's see what level that is. S4 is at 159.54. And then we had the reversal come in at pre-market low. That's that dash green line right there. So we had the reversal come in from the sell-off. Ran up here into 2 p.m. and we just went sideways from there, you know. So I tried to take a short right here. Let's see. Let's make this a little bigger. Just going back, like just observing the Camarilla levels, and we're looking for shorts. It's a lower value day. I tried to get a short here off of volume point of control. This rejection, we had two failed attempts here to break out at this level right here at S2, which is 162.28. And so I went short right here at let's see what level that was, approximately 161.91. My stop was above S2 at 162.37. So we got support here off of VWAP and S3, and ran up here. We just got a rejection of upper VWAP at 162.59. So it's just a bunch of sideways movement. It's just really I guess from this bullish action from the reversal here, we're just maintaining that bullish activity. We're just buying off of support, which is S3 and VWAP. So the bulls are maintaining the price above there. So that short didn't work out. I was trying to get back to at least this level right here, this floor pivot S1, which is 161.13, and that didn't happen. VWAP stopped that, and S3 as well. So right now they're probably gonna just range between this range right here of VWAP 161.54 and the highs right here of like 162.60. And we might even break out at the end of the day if the bulls maintain that support. They come back here, get more buyers, or even at the volume points of control at 162.11. We could probably push up to like S1 and probably break out to 163.50. Looking at the level 2, we may not get to we might get to like 163 probably, because I see there's a big order right there on the ask at 163. So we may get to 163, depends. But all in all, it's looking like we just kind of stayed in value all day, you know. Nothing is really happening here. The most we might get up to is 163 around S1 probably. And let's see. Let me do a trade recap on Nvda as well. Woke up late today, man. I had a long weekend at work, so let's see, same kind of setup here. I kind of jumped in Jumped into the trade here late. I got to the market late, like around 12:30. Opened, saw this push down candle into S3. You see S3 is right there, 157.87. So we had this I guess this is a triple bottom right here on S3, but I was seeing it like instead of like a reversal, it's more of like a range kind of motion, right? And we kind of got that, but we popped up to VWAP, and we're still in this kind of back and forth motion. So this is what I tried to catch right here. Tried to get a short at this level right here. Actually, I should have waited to get up to like S2. So this was a little premature entering that short. Got stopped out here at above S2. Let's see, at around, so I entered at let's see, 158.55. Stopped out at 159.76. Flip my position because I thought, well, okay, since we have this triple bottom, we'll take the breakout of this consolidation. But that wasn't a good trade either. That stopped out because we pulled back at the top of this range. So it just, the two trades just went against me because it's I guess it's bad entries, you know what I'm saying? Like entering here in the middle of the range, and this one here, well, I stopped out at the top of the range for the breakout. Then when I flip to go long, anticipating the breakout of the range, it's too close to VWAP, I guess. So I should have probably waited for like a VWAP break. And even if I did wait for a VWAP break, that would have failed as well. So it's a kind of, it's like a day where nothing is really pushing in any real direction. The only trade that happened here today was you could get some good confirmations off of previous day's close and some rejections here at VWAP to go short. And once you get to S3, that's basically the trade right there. Everything else here is just sideways movement, and you're probably gonna end up in chop like how I got chopped up there. So that's the two trades today. Today isn't looking like anything is really happening in the market. Probably off of like the big day Friday with the selling and stuff like that. They're trying to recuperate themselves, and not recuperate, I mean like regather their positions and kind of try and figure out what they want to do, you know, because the bulls are going to be looking at stuff like, are we buying this dip, or is it continuing bearish? So it's kind of indecisive today, you know what I'm saying? Even on Appl, same kind of scenario. Got the rejection here off of S1 though, and this was really the move. And then if you caught the reversal here, you get the move back up to S3. When you see this start to fail right here again, you should probably cover before VWAP. So even if you held and got above to this level, it's no real trades going on right here, because the bulls are just sitting in position right now and just hoping to get to S3. I mean 163. So all in all, this is the trade right here for this afternoon on Appl. So that short right there didn't pan out. Alright, y'all, it's King Nvda, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.